Stated by Gandhi, there is no God higher than truth. Hi, my name is Kaylee Ogeen, and today I will be discussing the importance of truthfulness. And the way I'll be portraying that is talking about it in the workplace, personally with my family, and how it relates to government and politics. So truth in the workplace is very important because it shows your reliability and accountability as an employee. And that's very important to bosses and coworkers because they want to be able to have faith in you and feel like they can trust you to do certain tasks, deal with certain clients or other employers because they want you to get things done. And if you mess up, they can trust that you'll stand up and be like, hey, I messed up, I'm sorry, I'll do better next time. And it's especially important with clients because they want to feel like you'll tell them the whole truth about what they're getting, what they're paying for, because they don't want somebody that'll just lie and kind of talk up the business. And then when they really go into it and it's nothing like that, then you'll lose money, you'll lose customers, and that just doesn't look good for the business. It's also a great way to work up the ladder because you want promotions, you want the boss to trust you and be able to give you certain tasks that'll make you more money. Next, I have trust and family. So family is, for me, the biggest thing that you can have, and you want to be able to have your family trust that you'll tell them the truth about things and you'll just come out with it. Personally, with me, my mom hates lying. That's her number one thing is don't lie to me. Just come out and tell me the truth. Don't kick around the bush. And I learned at a young age that if I get in trouble or to do the right thing, I always need to just tell the truth, get it over with faster, and she'll respect me more because you want the respect from family, friends, and you don't want to build relationships or keep family bonds by lying because who is going to trust or just even talk to you if you're just going to lie to their face because nobody wants to deal with somebody like that. Next, I have truth in politics and government. Just like in the workplace, you want somebody who's in the higher power, who's running for president, maybe a seat in the Senate. You want to be able to trust them and not feel like, oh, is this the truth? How do I know this is right or this is wrong? And you won't really take somebody seriously that just lies to you all the time because you want to feel secure. You want to feel like you're getting the whole package, but you won't be able to do that when it's just lie, 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 because like I said earlier, you just won't know what to believe. And running for president or just dealing with the mayor politics, it's very important because you want to feel safe and you want to know that the person who's in the higher power will do the right thing, what's right for you, what's right for the country, just certain things like that. And lastly, I wanted to end on a quote from Michael Jackson where he says, lies run sprints, but the truth runs marathons. And I feel this is very important because lies are very short term. If you get caught in a lie, you try and build up on it, and it's just not great. But when telling the truth, that's long term. That's, oh, I can trust them because I know they're going to tell me the truth, and it's just people always remember that. So that's why I think this was a great quote by Michael Jackson, and I hope you guys enjoyed listening to my presentation today. Thank you for listening.